Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run job costing reports in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time, so let's just jump straight into the video. First step is to enable job costing feature. Go to settings on the QuickBooks dashboard and then select account and settings, and under that select advanced, and then turn on projects or job tracking depending of course on your QuickBooks version. Step 2 is to assign jobs to customers. Now, when creating invoices, estimates, or expenses, you want to make sure they're tagged to the correct customer and job. Step 3, open the reports section. Click reports on the left-hand menu and then search for job costing reports. Just type in job profitability summary or job profitability details to see performances by projects. Step 5 is to select a date range. Choose the project timeline that you want to analyze. Start and end dates matter for accuracy. The final step, the one before the final step, is to review the cost versus income. Check the total income, expenses, and net profit for each job to determine which projects are most profitable. And the final step is to customize and save. You can apply filters for customers, service items, or date ranges, and then save the report for future tracking. A pro tip is to run these reports regularly to spot cost overruns early and adjust project budgets in time. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.